And Trump has talked about the stablecoin industry as well. You're about to launch a stablecoin, is that right?
We are indeed. Ripple announced not too long ago, we're announcing something called RLUSD or Ripple USD. The stablecoin market now is 170, about $180 billion. And the largest player is called Tether. We think there's an opportunity for the Ripple of the world, the institutional use case, selling into banks, solving that cross-border, and really making payments cheaper, faster. We think this is a perfect use case of these technologies.
I can understand because slowly but surely you're seeing financial services get it and start implementing crypto, stable coins in their businesses.
Internet is the future of finance. Stablecoins are turning today's money into the online money of tomorrow. And that means we face a critical choice between order and chaos. Will the U.S. set standards for stablecoins, or will we continue down the path of uncertainty? Have you ever noticed how the lines on our highways allow us to drive faster and more safely? The rules of the road don't limit us, they empower us. The rules of finance allow businesses to go faster and farther too. That's a big reason why U.S. markets are the envy of the world. We have clear-cut laws that enable people to take risks and innovate. It's the difference between building on quicksand versus bedrock. Innovation thrives on order, but finance depends on it. And that's why we need to regulate stablecoins. As chairman of the CFTC, I saw how challenging it could be to regulate new technologies. But this isn't about legitimizing cryptocurrency speculation. It's about unlocking stablecoin innovation. Stablecoins are the new foundation for global commerce, doing for finance what email did for communication. At Circle, we issue USDC, a dollar-backed stablecoin built here in America in collaboration with regulators and financial institutions. And we're leading with standards we think other stablecoins should follow, like listing our reserves on our website, openly, where anyone can see them. That's not mandated anywhere, but we think it should be. The reality is not all stablecoins are stable. Many are issued offshore. Who knows what's backing them? Lack of sound regulation lets them get away with it, and it hurts companies that want to do the right thing. We need common sense legislation to ensure digital dollars are dollars people can trust. We may not realize it, but we're in a space race. The future of the dollar isn't just about business, it's also about national security. About 60% of central bank reserves around the world are held in US dollars, but that number is shrinking. At the same time, other countries are creating their own digital currencies to overtake the dollar. Stablecoins like USDC are the answer. They help protect the dollar as the world's reserve currency. That means we can keep our borrowing costs low, deploy our democratic values overseas, and provide a buffer for American families during hard times. The truth is that the U.S. has a massive opportunity to lead the financial world into the next internet wave. Stablecoins will make that possible, so let's get this right. The race is on.
And I just want to share that I am on the board of Ripple. Ripple is XRP. And so when people ask me the question, why did you join the board of Ripple? I joined the board of Ripple because XRP serves a purpose. It's a function that facilitates cross-border payments. It's not some store of value, kind of arbitrary value that is not pegged to anything. This is actually what legitimate financial institutions use, specifically for cross-border payments. So instead of days and dollars, it's seconds and cents. And that is the future, in my opinion. And again, this is a function. So this utility piece, when it comes to crypto, is very, very important. Again, there's no doubt in my mind that digital assets are becoming mainstream. Absolutely no doubt. And for me, it is that underlying technology that's important. It is blockchain. So, of course, we all know what blockchain is. And blockchain is not going away anytime soon. In my opinion, it absolutely is the future of commerce. Whether it is real estate, whether it is art, whether it is NFTs, it is absolutely here to stay. And so it's very, very important for the administration to get this right.
So the DeFi market is $55 billion today. Cryptocurrencies as a whole is 1 trillion. Yet those are just tiny little dots on this presentation because they pale in comparison to the quadrillions of dollars that are out there in these traditional markets and systems. And all that is ripe for innovation and moving into tokenized world. So we...
At every stock, every bond, every currency, every commodity, every piece of art, every bottle of fine wine, every collectible car, every piece of real estate, every private business, everything of value in the world will eventually be a token. This adoption of technology, this evolution, it's not a revolution, it's an evolution of technology, that everything of value will be a token on a blockchain. Not a coin, not a thing. It's literally a line item on a public ledger. Everything of value will be that. And every transaction of value will happen in digital assets. You don't need the pieces of paper. Wipe out all of DTCC, which processes $1.8 quadrillion a year. That is a large number. That will all move to digital. And when it does, it will create massive wealth, the greatest wealth creation opportunity I'm going to see in my lifetime.
There are three revolutions taking place involving crypto. One is a money revolution. That's Bitcoin and to some extent Ether. One is a financial services revolution. That's decentralized finance, digital wallets, which are going to, we think, gut traditional financial institutions. And then the third is the next generation internet revolution. It's just the next stage of a revolution. And NFTs are extremely interesting because these are, and each of these words is very important. NFTs are the first digital, global, rules-based property rights system. Rules-based meaning immutable, as blockchain technology is. So, and Bitcoin is the first global digital private's the other word there, private monetary system in the history of mankind. These are very big ideas. And what is interesting is they are global.